Hey there, Instagram enthusiast. Welcome back to our channel. Today I've got a quick and easy tutorial for you. Have you ever tried to use the Add Yours feature on Instagram only to find it's not working? Don't worry, you're not alone, but fear not, because I'm here to show you exactly how to fix it in just a few simple steps. The first things you want to do is make sure you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. Sometimes bugs and glitches can offer if you're using an outdated version. So head over to your Play Store or App Store and check for any updates to Instagram. If there's an update available, go ahead and download it. Next up, if you're still experiencing issues, it could be due to some cached data causing conflicts. To fix this, go into your phone settings, then go to apps and notifications, then click on apps and find the Instagram app. And then clear the cache and data. This will essentially give the app a fresh start and can often resolve any glitches you might be experiencing. If the problem persists, it might be time to take more drastic measures. Sometimes a simple reinstall can work wonders. So go ahead and uninstall the Instagram app from your device, then head back to the App Store and reinstall it. This will give you a completely clean version of the app and should hopefully fix any issues you were having with the Add Yours feature. If you've tried all of the above steps and you're still having trouble, it might be worth reaching out to Instagram support for further assistance. They may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps or even fix the issue on the end if it's a widespread problem. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy fix for the Add Yours feature is when not working on your Instagram. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.